This is number one African queen. I hope everybody is doing well. Yeah, we are doing well, and I know you guys are doing well too. Yep. Today, thank you so much for my new subscribers. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. Please, when you subscribe, make sure that you press the notification bell so anytime I'll post any video, you are going to see it first. Thank you so much, my new subscribers. Keep on watching my video. May God bless you. Yeah, today we are going to do some small home remedy so that it will help us for this sickness, coronavirus. Yeah, so please, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful when you are going to buy gas. When you are going to buy gas, make sure that you wear gloves to pump the gas, because you don't know who have it. Maybe you are pure, you don't have it, but you don't know who is coming to buy the gas, whether the person have it or not. You don't know. So please, when you are going to buy gas, make sure that you wear gloves to pump the gas. As soon as you pump it finish, just throw it away. Yeah, throw it away in the trash. And whether you're a doctor, you're a nurse, whether you work at hospital or not, please, when you come home, as soon as you come home, do not bring your shoe inside. As soon as you come home, remove your shoe outside. Remove your shoe outside. Do not bring your shoe inside, because you don't know whether you have some inside, or we have to protect ourselves. So as soon as you come home, make sure that you move your shoes outside before you come home. And even when you come inside, make sure you remove your dress and put in the washer with hot water. Yeah, to wash it. Yeah, when you are drying it, make sure that you use hot heat. You use the heat to dry it. Yeah. By today, I have home remedy. It's going to help us. If you hear any symptoms like you can't breathe, or you are coughing, or you are having a cold, I'm coming to show you some home remedy. So stay tuned. And I have another thing to say too. Right now, we don't need to wear some nails in our hand. This is not time we have to, because if you wash your hand and maybe you have some of the virus, you don't know. So this is not time we have to wear some nails in our hand, because always we're supposed to make our nails clean, because when you wash your hand, they can even go and enter somewhere you don't even know. So this is not time we have to wear some nails or what. You have to clean. If you see that your hand is your nails are getting long, you just cut it and make it nice, so that you won't get this sickness, because it's getting too much. It's getting too much. So we have to protect ourselves. They say God help those who help himself. We have to help him. We have to help ourselves. Yeah, God give us the knowledge, so we have to help ourselves. Yeah, God help those who help himself. Yeah, it's like, it's not. Yeah, so when you see that your fingers are getting long, please cut it. And when you are washing your hand, you make sure that you wash your hand very neat with hot water, because this is the time we have to help each other. So let's go back to what I'm doing. Yeah, I have my turmeric here. This is my turmeric, and my garlic, and my lime, and my ginger. Yep. I thought I was recording it, but yeah. So right now, I am going to cut the garlic. Yeah. And I am going to put in the water. I know you guys miss me a lot. Yeah, almost 1 week now. Oh my god. This is time we have to pray. Yep, this is the time we have to pray, because it's getting too much. It's getting too much. We have to pray to God, because it's too much. It's getting too much. This 2019 and 20, it's not good year at all. It's not good year. I don't need to, yeah, I'm going to cut it to put it inside. Okay, let me cut it. I'll be back. So now I cut the ginger. This is the ginger, and this is the lime. I am going to put it here so that everything can boil together. We need some serious boil heat. Yeah, so I am going to leave it to boil it very serious. Yeah, so stay tuned. So I cover it so that it can boil. Yeah, so guys, I am done, and this is what I am going to do. You have to do the same. If you don't have these ingredients, go and buy some lime, turmeric, garlic, and ginger. Okay. Yeah, this is so. I have my bucket. We are going to steam our head. Yeah, I have my bucket here. So this is what I am going to do. You see, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover myself. I'm coming. Yeah, so this is, and you see all the heat will enter your body and your nose. So you do that all the time. When you go to if you are working at hospital, whether you're a nurse or doctor, when you come home, this is what you have to do. When you come home, this is what you have to do. Yeah, you will make it like this. Then you put your head inside. Then all the heat enter your nose, your lung, everywhere. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so good. You open your mouth too. I feel so good. Yeah. This is not expensive. You can buy it many you want. Then you just keep it in your house. So anytime you feel some pains in your chest, you are coughing, you feel some cold, just do like this. Or you can do that all the time. Don't wait until, yeah. Open your mouth and your nose everywhere. And you see how you are sweating. Oh my God, I feel so good. Did you see how I'm sweating? Oh my God. Do the same. Do the same. This is going to help us. Oh, this is so good. Open your mouth, your nose, so that everything. Yep. Oh, this is so good. Look at the way I'm sweating. Look at the way I'm sweating, guys. Look. Look at the way I'm sweating. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, I feel so good. Look at how I'm sweating. What? This is so good. You see? Yeah, so, and I'm going to do the same for my kids too. So please try this. This, look. Oh my God. All the makeup. Yeah, try the same. It's medicine. Turmeric is medicine, ginger, garlic, everything. As soon as you come home from hospital, or if you are a nurse or where, as soon as you come home, just make some, and just the way I did it, steam your head in. Don't put your head in the water. Yeah, just cover your head. And if you have children in the house, make the same for them. But be careful, because children, they are something. Yeah. So whether you're supposed to do with her or him, yeah, just sit down on the chair and just find some table and put on it, and just you and him will do it together. Yep. It will help you to prevents to help you so that you are not getting cold or cough, or because all these symptoms come from cold and cough or sneeze. I don't know, so many things. So please, you have to do this. I'm sweating. Uh, and don't take blankets, big blankets. That one is going to help you. Oh my god, I'm sweating my back. Don't take any light blanket. Take big blanket and cover yourself inside. You can do it morning and evening. You know, all these are not expensive. You can do it morning and evening, morning and evening. If you see that you are having some chest pain or you are coughing, you are getting some cold, just make something like this. It will help you. It will help you. So thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the time we have to take up each other. We have to take up ourselves. Yeah, so you have to do this. You have to do this. And I'm sure it will help you. If you have your mother in the house, your grandmother, your grandfather, this is the time we have to do this for them so that they will stay with us longer. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and give the thumb up, and make sure you share and press the notification bell so anytime I'll post any video, you are going to see it first. May God bless you all. May God bless my new subscriber. You are welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much, and take good care of yourself. And I know God will protect us. I love you guys all. May God bless you. Bye.